Welcome, beautiful souls. Welcome back to Tune Your Soul, your safe space for healing, mindfulness, and soulful transformation. Today's video is very close to my heart because we are diving into a topic that shapes every moment of our life, and that is karma. In today's fast paced generation, where everyone is running, competing, comparing, and constantly trying to be someone, the true meaning of karma often gets lost. But karma is not punishment. Karma is not fear. Karma is not a threat. Karma is simply energy. The energy you create, the energy you carry, and the energy you release into the world. And today, we will understand karma in a way that feels modern, practical, and deeply spiritual. We will also learn how to do good karma effortlessly using the powerful Hawaiian healing technique Ho'oponopono. So take a deep breath, relax your shoulders, and let's begin this beautiful journey of awareness, healing, and transformation. What karma actually means? Karma simply means action. Every action has a vibration, and every vibration has a consequence, and every consequence becomes your experience. So, karma is not about good or bad, it is about alignment. When your actions align with love, compassion, truth, and kindness, your life aligns with peace, abundance, and joy. When your actions align with fear, anger, ego, jealousy, or negativity, your life aligns with chaos, confusion, and emotional heaviness. Karma is not a judge or a mirror. It reflects you back to you. So, karma in today's generation, what has changed? Today's generation is living in a world of instant gratification, social media comparison, emotional burnout, overthinking, stress. So, in this environment, karma is often misunderstood. People think if you do good, why do bad things happen to me? Or people think sometimes, why is life unfair? Why do others succeed even if they hurt people? Or why do I suffer even when I try to be good? But karma is not a one-day event. Karma is not a quick reaction. And karma is not a punishment system. Karma is a long-term energy cycle. Just like seeds take time to grow, karma takes time to unfold. In today's generation, people want instant results, but karma works in divine timing. Many people fall into the modern karma trap where they do good only to receive something. Or sometimes you'll see people help others but expect appreciation, or show kindness but also want recognition. They forgive but want validation. Some act spiritual but want admiration. This is not karma. This is ego wearing a spiritual mask. True karma is silent. True karma is selfless. True karma is natural. And yes, true karma is done without expectation. This is one of the biggest questions of today's generation. Why do good people suffer? Because good people are often emotionally sensitive, empathetic, carrying generational wounds, breaking old patterns, learning soul lessons. Challenges don't mean punishment. Challenges mean growth. Your soul chooses certain experiences to evolve. Good karma does not remove your challenges. Good karma gives you strength, clarity, and divine support to overcome them. In today's world, people focus on what they do, but karma focuses on why they do it. Two people can do the same action but create completely different karma. Like example, person A donates money to show off, that is ego karma, and person B donates money to help, that is good karma. Intentions create vibrations and vibrations create karma. So today's generation is emotionally overloaded. Every thought, every emotion, every reaction creates karma. Overthinking creates mental karma. Anger creates emotional karma. Jealousy creates vibrational karma. Fear creates energetic karma. And gossip creates social karma. Complaining also creates situational karma. Your inner world becomes your outer world. And relationships today are fragile because people don't communicate. People don't heal. People don't forgive and understand. People don't take responsibility. Karma plays a huge role in relationships. You attract what you vibrate. You attract what you believe, what you carry, and you attract what you haven't healed. Many relationships today are karmic. They come to teach lessons, not to stay forever. Social media has created a new form of karma. Positive. They are posting negativity, they are spreading hate, judging others, comparing other lives, creating fake identities, living for likes. Every digital action also creates karma. Your online energy is still your energy. So today's generation is obsessed with success. But karma teaches money earned with honesty stays. Karma teaches money earned with manipulation goes. Or success built on truth lasts. Your career karma is shaped by your hard work, your intentions, your gratitude, respect, and your discipline. The biggest karma of today's generation is self-neglect. People forget to rest. People forget to breathe. People forget to heal, to forgive others. And people forget to appreciate themselves, to love themselves. Self-love is the highest form of good karma. When you take care of yourself, you create positive energy. that flows into every area of your life. Ho'oponopono is a Hawaiian healing technique that clears negative karma, emotional blocks, and energetic burdens. It is based on 4 simple mantras. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. These 4 lines create powerful good karma because they heal your inner wounds. They help you to release negativity, improve your relationships, helps in cleansing emotional energy, and it strengthens your intuition. Also help you to align you with the divine flow. So let's understand how to use Ho'oponopono for good karma in daily life. When you heal yourself, you automatically create good karma. So use Ho'oponopono daily when you wake up. Use Ho'oponopono daily before you sleep, during stress, during emotional pain, confusion, or anxiety. And repeat, I am sorry for the pain I didn't know I was carrying. Please forgive me for not loving myself enough. Thank you for this moment of healing. I love you, dear mind, dear body, and my soul. This creates pure, powerful karma. Instead of reacting, judging, or fighting, use Ho'oponopono silently. Whenever someone hurts you, say, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. This does not mean you accept wrong behavior. It means you stop carrying emotional poison. You release the karma, you free yourself, and you create peace. Every negative thought creates karma, and every positive thought creates blessings. Use Ho'oponopono to clean your mind. Whenever you overthink, just say, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. Your mind becomes lighter, your energy becomes cleaner, and your karma becomes brighter. Gratitude is the fastest way to create good karma. Combine gratitude with Ho'oponopono. Thank you for everything I have. I love you, universe, for guiding me. This vibration attracts abundance. Forgiveness is not for others. Forgiveness is for you. Ho'oponopono makes forgiveness easy. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Forgiveness dissolves karmic knots. Small actions create big karma, like smile, help someone, speak kindly at least, be honest, be patient, be compassionate, be grateful for whatever you have, and be mindful. Before every action, silently repeat, thank you, I love you. Thank you, I love you. This aligns your energy with goodness. Holding on creates negative karma. Letting go creates good karma. So use Ho'oponopono to release all the negativity, past pain, past mistakes, failures, fears, anything by repeating the 4 magical mantra. I am sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. You free your soul. And Ho'oponopono teaches everything is energy. Everything is connected. Everything can be healed. So when you take responsibility for your emotions, your reactions, your thoughts, you create powerful good karma. Compassion is divine karma. Whenever you see someone struggling, silently send them Ho'oponopono. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. This creates blessings for both of you. And Ho'oponopono aligns you with peace, love, purity, and divine flow. So when your inner world is clean, your outer world becomes magical. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath. Relax your body. Now repeat slowly. I am sorry for all the pain I carried unknowingly. Please forgive me for all the moments I forgot my true self. Thank you for this beautiful chance to heal. I love you, dear universe. I love you, dear soul. I love you, my dear life. Feel the energy shifting. Feel the heaviness melting. Feel the karma cleansing. And feel the love flowing. You are healing. You are transforming. And you are creating good karma. So thank you, beautiful souls, for being here today. Thank you for choosing healing. Thank you for choosing awareness. And thank you for choosing good karma. So remember, karma is not fear or punishment. Karma is not destiny. Karma is simply energy. And you have the power to shape it. With every thought, with every action, with every intention, and with every repetition of Ho'oponopono, you create a new reality, a peaceful reality, a loving reality, and a blessed reality. So before you leave, repeat with me, I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. May your karma be pure. May your heart be light. May your soul be free. May your life be filled with abundance, peace, and divine love. Signing off with gratitude, healing, and infinite blessings. Thank you, and I love you. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. I love you.